Hello, future homeowners, and welcome. If you're a first-time home buyer, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into an essential topic, the journey of becoming a first-time home buyer. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding what it means to be a first-time buyer and whether you're truly ready for this exciting step. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's kick things off by defining what it truly means to be a first-time home buyer. Traditionally, it means you're entering the real estate market with no prior home purchases. However, that definition has evolved to be much more inclusive. If you haven't owned a home in the past 3 years, you still qualify as a first-time home buyer. And then there's a little bonus on top of that. If you've owned a home, but your significant other hasn't, you can team up and become first-time home buyers together. It's like you get to level up as a couple while enjoying the benefits that come with buying your first home. So now, with the broader definition, it's much easier to qualify as first-time buyers and unlock all the perks that make buying a home for the first time extra special. Now let's explore the exciting benefits of being a first-time home buyer. First off, there's programs that make buying a home more affordable. Picture lenders offering discounted mortgage rates tailored for folks like you. It's like getting an exclusive discount on your dream home. But there's even more. As first-time buyers, you can score no down payment or low down payment options. That means you don't need to break the bank with a huge chunk of cash up front. Plus, some of these options might even let you skip the dreaded mortgage insurance. How's that for a nice bonus? Often, the biggest hurdle in buying your first home is that hefty down payment. But fear not, because many states, local governments, and lenders, they've got your back. There are programs that offer down payment or closing cost assistance to you as a first-time home buyer. Imagine getting a helping hand to make your dream of owning a home a reality. We're over here sitting there saying, hey, we believe in you. Here's some cash. Go grab that house. Emotional readiness is key to successful homeownership. Owning a home comes with responsibilities and commitments. There's maintenance, there's repairs. Consider whether you're prepared to invest the time, effort, and emotion into caring for your home. Begin by asking yourself the why. Why do you want to buy a home? Is it to stop renting and invest in your future? Does your growing family need more space? Perhaps you're relocating for work. Understanding your motivations will guide your emotional readiness. And there are plenty of benefits. Your home becomes your canvas to unleash your creativity. Paint those walls red, put up chair rails, whatever you want. You're also building equity instead of throwing money away on rent as you pay down the loan. Now for the next one, this benefit, make sure you check with your tax advisor, but in many cases, mortgage interest is tax deductible, so you may get more back in your return or pay less if you owe taxes. All compelling reasons to embark on this journey if it aligns with your life goals. Financial preparedness is the cornerstone of a successful home buying experience. Evaluate your budget, your credit score, and your overall financial stability. Homeownership comes with costs beyond the mortgage. There's property taxes, insurance, maintenance. Make sure you're prepared for those additional expenses. And then to ensure a seamless loan approval process, think like a lender. Having a strong financial position not only secures the best mortgage options and rates, but also streamlines your journey to homeownership. Consider the key factors that lenders assess during the approval process. One of the first ones is credit score. I'll do a full video on it in the future, but the main point is the higher your score, the better the interest rate and options available. Typically, being over a 740 credit gets the best options. Now, it is possible to get loan approval even if your credit's in the 500s. 2 is your monthly survival number. What does it cost to be you each month? Getting the house you want is great, but not if you're house rich and lifestyle poor. You don't want to be sitting in your home eating mac and cheese every night for dinner because you can barely afford the mortgage payment. And that's nothing against mac and cheese. I love it too. 3 is your rainy day fund. Typically you want to have 6 to 12 months of that monthly survival number. And after that, still make sure you have enough for the down payment. Now, that may not be as much of an issue if you qualify for down payment assistance, but you want to keep it in mind. 4, do you have a consistent earning history? This can be a tricky one if you move jobs regularly and you're paid in bonus and commission. Often we need to see a minimum of at least 1 year receipt for variable income and sometimes more. And then your income consistency ties into the next piece, which is your debt to income ratio, or DTI as we call it. This measures your debt against your income, and it'll be a key ingredient in obtaining a loan approval. If you make $10,000 a month in gross income and your mortgage is $3,000, your other debt is $1,000, that's 40% debt to income ratio. And when I say debt, that means everything. Your mortgage, the property taxes, homeowner's insurance, your credit cards, student loans, car loans, those are all common ones. The lower your DTI, the better it is for the loan approval. Being a first-time homebuyer is an exciting journey, but it does require careful consideration. Assess your emotional and financial readiness, explore available incentives, and educate yourself on the home buying process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with friends or family who might be embarking on their first home buying adventure. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more valuable content on all things related to homeownership and personal finance. And then in our next video, we'll dive into the actual process of buying a home. And if you want to jump ahead, drop a comment below and I'll send you a copy of my First Time Homebuyer ebook, which covers everything we'll be talking about. Thanks for watching, and remember, your journey as a first-time homebuyer is unique. Take your time, ask questions, and make informed decisions that set you up for success.